In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add travel times to your Google Calendar events. This is a handy trick that can help you manage your time better by keeping track of how long it will take to reach your appointments. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening your Google Calendar. Once you're on the calendar page, locate the event to which you'd like to add travel time. This is typically a meeting or an appointment where you need to be aware of how long it will take to get there. Go ahead and click on the event to open it up. The details should pop up in a new window. Now look for the location field in the event details. This is where you would typically add the address of your meeting or appointment. Click on that field, and as you do, you'll notice something useful happening. A Google Maps sidebar will appear on the right hand side of your screen. This sidebar is going to assist us in calculating travel time. Within this Google Maps sidebar, you'll see a directions button. Click on that. Here, you'll need to enter your starting point, which could be your home, office, or wherever you're planning to begin your journey. This information is crucial as it tells Google Maps where you need to start calculating from and helps provide accurate travel time. Next, you have the option to choose your mode of transportation. Whether you're driving, taking public transport, or walking, select the mode that best suits your plans for the day. Each mode may present different travel times, so pick the one you'll be using to ensure the timing is precise. After selecting your mode of transportation, several route options might be suggested. Take a moment to review these choices and then select the one that best fits your needs. Once you have decided on a route, there's a straightforward step. Click on Add to Calendar. This button helps integrate your travel plans directly into your calendar seamlessly. Now here's where the magic happens. Google Calendar will automatically create a new event prior to your original event. This new entry represents your travel time, ensuring you have ample notice of when you need to leave and helping prevent any rushing or lateness. By following these steps, you can manage your appointments with greater efficiency and avoid unnecessary stress. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you stay on top of your schedule effortlessly. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on adding travel times to your Google Calendar events.